So today I'm going to do a brief video on Google Business Profile. So how to use it. I'll record a video on how to set it up and what it's for later. But let's assume you're logged into the particular email or account that has your Google Business Profile. So that's what I have here. Then we go up to the top right hand corner where the 9 dots are. You click on it, and then we're going to click on this blue icon with the G. Looks like a little storefront or an awning, and it says Google Profile Manager. Let's click on that. And then it's going to take you to your Google Business Profile. So your business on Google. Let's try and remove some of these. Okay. So it's going to take you to your Google Business Profile, and on the right-hand side, it will take you to your current Google Business Profile listing. So once we're here, you're able to edit the information on your Google Business Profile. So if you see here at the top, under the search bar, under all videos, images, and the menu items, you're going to see your your business on Google, sorry, your logo, and then various icons. So edit profile, read reviews, message, photos, performance, advertise, edit products, edit services, bookings, Q&A, update, ask for reviews. These are all elements that you can edit. And then once edited, it's going to reflect on your Google Business Profile. So for example, let's go into Edit Profile. We click on it. It has all the information about your business that you have put up on Google, and you want this to be as detailed as possible. And it does not look like I have made it that detailed, but that's okay. We can work on that. Your business name, your business categories. You want to put as many categories that are relevant to your business, and a description. I think you have, yes, 750 characters, so use as many of those characters as possible. Include a call to action, your business name, the services or products that you offer, the types of clients or customers that you want to serve or that you do serve. Include a phone number, a website, any social media that you have, any location. If you have a physical location, include that there. If you don't have a physical location, then you don't have to include it. Include all the service areas. So if you're a type of business that goes to people's homes or goes to certain areas or goes to the location for the job, then include those service areas that you service. And of course, your hours, you want those to be consistent with what's on your website. And then any special hours, like on holidays or closures or anything like that, you want to include. What else do we have here? What kind of business it is. So it'll give you some options as to whether it's women-owned, LGBTQ friendly. I think there's options for wheelchair accessibility and so forth. And then, of course, languages. So that's all in the business info. So all good things to keep up to date. Let's close that. Now let's go to read reviews. So if you have any reviews, it allows you to read them and it allows you to reply to them. And that's really the main part. You want to reply to your reviews, good or bad, especially the not so favorable ones. All right. The messages. Now, I don't think there's any messages here, but there are. I don't know what this is, but sometimes there might be messages and you want to reply to them. Photos. This is where you can upload your photos, your logo, and everything like that. Performance. So this will give you some information and data about, there's a dip in April, about your Google Business Profile. So it's pretty consistent, this one, and there was a dip. Number of calls, messages, bookings, website clicks. Again, and these website clicks are when they visit your Google Business Profile and click on your website. What else do we have here? Yes, we have search terms. Okay, so this is interesting. How people are finding you. They'll give you a breakdown of that, whether it's mobile, desktop, or I think it's other, or Google Maps, right? And then search terms that they, oh, that's funny. Africa restaurant is halal. Oh, I have no idea how that's related to math tutoring, but that's okay. Um, search terms that shows your business profile in the search results. Interesting. That first one's strange. Does not. That aside, but all the others seem to make sense and are related to the type of business. And then you can click on see more to get I think, a more extensive list. But again, all interesting information and valuable information that you can use when editing your Google business profile, editing your site. And if you're advertising with Google Ads, you can also do that through here. If you have products, list them with details as well as images. So there are no products listed. If you have any services, again, list them, put descriptions where possible. And bookings. If you have a link that allows you to book, allows customers or potential customers to book, then include that link as well. That will take them directly to your booking link, and you may get a booking that way. Questions and answers. So if there are questions that people ask about your business, they'll be here, and then you can answer them. Add an update. Yes. So add an update. So Google Business Profiles, a little like social media, where you can post on it, and it's worthwhile posting. Maybe an update to your business, or maybe you're going to add a new product or service. You include it there. What else? Maybe a special event's going to happen at your business, in a place of business. Again, that's something you can add. You can add a general update. That can be anything from, blog post. There's more information about your industry or your services or your business. It doesn't have to be extraordinary. Just keeping your business top of mind for Google and, of course, potential searchers for your service. And then ask for a review. So this is definitely important. So this allows you to give your customers a link that will take them directly to your Google Business Profile where they can leave a review. So there's a review link. You can send it by email, WhatsApp, Facebook. So this is great. So there's very little reason not to get reviews from clients, because there's a way to reach all your clients. So definitely use the reviews and ask for reviews. So that's Google Business Profile and how you can edit it once you have a Google Business Profile.